This time I have two statements up here. It says the probability of rain tomorrow is 0.4 and the probability of winning a game of tennis is 3/5. Now I'm going to look actually at the probability of those events not happening. Okay, now we know that the probability of all events adds up to 1, all right? Because probability of all events happening, okay, is certain because something's got to happen, hasn't it? And certain, we learned before, was 1 in probability. So if the probability of rain is 0.4, probability of not rain tomorrow is 1 take away 0.4. So what have I got to add on to 0.4 to get to 1? Well, it's 0.6, and there's my answer for that one. Now with fractions, don't be put off because there's a fraction there. Okay, it's exactly the same thing. We know that 1 is 5/5. So once again, I'm looking at 1 take away 3/5, or you could think of it as 3/5 plus so many fifths, I don't know how many fifths, makes 5/5, because we know that 5/5 is 1. So 3 add what makes 5? Well, that's got to be 2/5. Okay, so the probability of an event not happening is 1 take away the probability of that event happening.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.